welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing something super fun. We're going to be doing a Hanukkah themed technique exercise. So I should be putting this out on what I think is the third night of Hanukkah, and filming this early has allowed me to decorate my house early, and I'm very excited about it. Yeah, because Hanukkah is my favorite holiday of the entire year. If you guys didn't know, I'm Jewish, and I absolutely love Hanukkah. So I love being able to celebrate it through creating technique exercise, and I'm filming a super special choreography tutorial for this Saturday, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. Today we're doing the Dreidel song, and we are becoming dreidels. If you couldn't already tell by the title, this is a rhythm turn technique exercise. And before I thought about the idea of becoming dreidels, I never thought to put a technique exercise like this together. If you don't like to turn, this one may not be for you. I'll give you like a way to do it without turning just in case, because I want everyone to be able to do this. But some people just get too dizzy when they turn, so I get it. I totally understand. So if you don't want to turn, I will give you an option, but for the most part, you're going to turn 4 times in a row on this one. So let's go ahead and get started. It begins with shuffle, step, heel, heel. So each ending is a step, cross, and heel, heel, toe, toe. So real quick, let's just go over the ending real quick. So every phrase's ending has you here, and then heel, heel, toe, toe. If you don't want to turn, this is where I can give you that variation. You go here, and then heel, heel, toe, toe. So instead of crossing over, just step next to it, and it's still the exact same heels. So it's heel, heel, toe, toe. Always the foot that you stepped with to start, the foot that you cross with to start it. And then it's opposite, right, left, or left, right, depending on which side you're doing. If you haven't learned a rhythm turn yet, I do have a step tutorial of a rhythm turn. Check the step tutorial playlist down below, learn that, and then come back to this video, because you will need to know how to do that. So, again, if you don't want to turn, step, heel, heel, toe. But every ending is going to be here. Cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. So let's just do that a couple times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Awesome. Let's try the other side, because we are going to do right and left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, left, right, right. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Awesome. So that's how each phrase ends. So, first phrase, you have shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. So 2 shuffle diddles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you have shuffle, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. So it's, I have a little dreidel, I made it out of clay. See how fast it's so cute. It's so cute. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Just for good measure, let's try it on the left. Left foot first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Awesome. So that's the first phrase. Second phrase, very similar. Paradiddle, paradiddle. So you have 2 paradiddles. 1, 2. And then you have dig, spank, cross. So it's just like shuffle, cross, but it starts like a paradiddle. Dig, spank, and then cross. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Very similar. These 2 are extremely similar. So let's do the second one from paradiddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dig, spank, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dig, spank, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Awesome. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, deep swing, cross left, right. Good. Let's do phrase 1 and phrase 2 together, and then we'll move on to phrase 3. 5, 6, shuffle, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. Paradiddle, paradiddle, deep swing, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. Cool. Let's do left just to make sure we got left. Then we'll move on to phrase 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. Paradiddle, 2. Deep swing, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. Awesome. Okay, phrase 3. Phrase 3. So from here, your right foot is kind of behind a little bit just based on how we come out of the turn. You have 5 count riff, 5 count riff. So this starts a little bit before the count. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you have 2 5 count riffs. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you have and a riff. So a 3 count riff. Spank, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. So that part is and a riff, spank, cross. Then you're ready to do the rhythm turn. 3 count riff, spank over, and then cross. And then heel, heel, toe, toe. Let's try it on the left for a second. So we have 3 count riff, spank, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay, so let's do the whole phrase. 5 count riff, 5 count riff, and a riff, spank, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Ready? Starting on the and a 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Cool. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So let's add it on, and then we'll do the 4th one. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, cross, heel, toe, toe, toe. Paradiddle, 2. Deep swing, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And riff, swing, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. It's a lot of turning, isn't it? One more time, then we'll try it on left. 5, 6, shuffle, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Paradiddle, 2. Big swing, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. And a riff, swing, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. Awesome. Let's try left. I'm spotting my notes. So spot something in front of you to make sure that you don't get too dizzy, because that is 3 turns in a row. Unless you're not turning, then it's just keeping it next to it and not turning. That's fine too. All right, so left side. 5, 6, shuffle, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. Paradiddle, 2. Deep swing, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. And a riff, swing, cross, go, heel, toe, toe. Good. Phrase 4. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. So you have 2 Irishes. And then shuffle, hop, cross. Heel, heel, toe, toe. It's probably the easiest one just because nothing's different. So it's shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, cross, heel, heel, toe, toe. So I'm going to try not to swing the heel, heel, toe, toe. It's hard because the Irish is a little swung. Yeah, da 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 da. So you can swing the Irish a little bit, but then don't swing those heel, heel, toe, toes. All right, so let's do the left side. 5, 6, left, go. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, cross, heel, toe, toe. Good. So let's try the whole thing. Right, then we'll pause, then we'll do left, then we'll do it with music. Ready? From shuffle diddle. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Paradiddle, 3 and 4 Left side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Dreidel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rep. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Irish. Cool. All right, so we are doing this to the dreidel song. We ready? All right, let's give it a shot. Super intense intro for the dreidel song. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's do it one more time just to make sure we got enough practice. We got this. I love this exercise. It's so much fun. So intense. It's like Beethoven. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I cannot wait to bring that to my classes. I absolutely love that exercise. Did you like that exercise? Are you excited for Chanukah Sayuri? Yes? Come here. Come here. I'm not jumping anymore. I can hold you. So, this is like a thing this week with filming. She just wants to be held at the end of every video. Oh, it's okay, baby. All right, well, thank you guys for joining me today for this special Chanukah edition of a technique exercise. I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope this helped you work on your rhythm turns. Feel free to bring this to your classes. Even if you don't celebrate Hanukkah or your students don't celebrate Hanukkah, it's super cool to like teach about the holidays too, especially the lesser known ones. And I know in some places, everyone knows what Hanukkah is, but in some places they don't know. I've taught at studios where like the kids don't know what Hanukkah is, and so I have to be like, okay, sit down, let me tell you a story. So, and you know, you can just present it, you don't have to present it like religiously specifically, it's a cultural holiday, and yeah, so, is that right? Are you snoring? She's like, all right, well, thank you guys for joining me. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe, so hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam, right, baby? She says join the TAP fam. It's a good fam. We have technique exercises like this, step tutorials like I talked about before, choreography tutorials, lots of fun stuff, vlogs, challenges, everything you could need right here on this channel to get tap dance class for free. This is all for you for free, and that's so much fun. I love being your YouTube tap teacher. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up because Hanukkah is the coolest holiday ever. It's like my favorite. Thumbs up for Hanukkah. And don't worry, I have lots of Christmas themed, lots of like holiday and Christmas themed stuff coming in the next couple of weeks. So this is my favorite time of year for this channel because everything just gets to be themed. I get to have a lot of holiday fun. This is my favorite time of year in general. I love fall and winter, so I'm just extremely happy right now. Is that right? And she's very happy because I'm holding her. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me. She made me do it this awkward way.